be talking about tires, tire pressures, axles, the things that really put your coach into motion. Randy Zonker joining us again today. First question I have on my list is what PSI should my tires be at?
We highly recommend that you follow the manufacturer's guide for the PSI that is on your tires. Don't try to overinflate, don't try to underinflate. The PSI is on each and every tire. It's also stated on your tire identification label that's on your coach.
So, what if you underinflate your tire? What will happen?
If you underinflate your tire, they actually heat up more. They'll build up a lot more heat and can cause a tire blowout.
Yeah, and we don't want that. So, how often should I inspect my tires when I'm out on an adventure?
When you're traveling, we recommend that you look at them every day. Okay? Doesn't take long to just look at each tire and keep your air pressure checked while you're traveling at least once a week if possible.
Are the tires balanced here at the factory before we send them out?
No.
Okay.
Recreational vehicle tires are not balanced. However, you'll get longer tire life if you do balance them. In our service shop, when we change a tire, we also have them balanced.
Okay, so you would go to like a tire shop to have
Any
that?
tire shop can
Okay.
do a balance.
Awesome. And then how often should I pack my bearings?
Your bearings should be packed at least once a year or every 36,000 miles. And that is critical because of all the traveling, the heat and everything, the grease. Don't overpack them. And if you have the bearing buddies and you want to add grease, maybe one squirt. Don't overdo it because you can blow out the seal at the back of the bearings
Hmm.
and add grease to your brakes. That doesn't make it stop very well.
I don't. What is bearing buddies? What is?
Bearing Buddy is a grease zert that's
Oh, okay.
right on
Gotcha.
the end of your axle hub.
Awesome. Okay. Is it really necessary to torque the wheel lug nuts when changing your tire and wheels?
Yes. Anytime you change a tire, whether it be on your recreational vehicle, on your tow vehicle, or whatever you're driving, yes, all tires and wheels should be torqued, and the torque should be checked after, say, 100 miles.